and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. Do you remember, for those who've been subscribed to me for a while, and then the new subscribers, I will just tell you about it. When I was talking about something that reminds you of someone that you loved or love, but someone passed, and that particular thing, when it happens, you think about that person. Okay, that being said, butterflies remind me of my mom. A falling leaf, a single leaf, reminds me of my mother-in-law. Well, she was like a second mom. A bird that's in a tree or in a bush or outside my window, I think of my aunt. My grandmother, on my mom's side, I think when I see a white butterfly, her, and my mom, a monarch butterfly. And you'd be amazed how many times I see butterflies or one single leaf or maybe one bird. A lot of times, all that goes in groups. You'll see several butterflies, or you'll see several leaves, or you'll see, just, it comes in bunches. Things come in bunches. But when that one single thing of a bird, a butterfly, a leaf, wow. And it'll come in my brain like, wow, hey, how you doing? I'm thinking about you. I love you. Little things like that in life mean so much. Little things you can't buy. Things you don't want to buy is things that you can just look and see. So I think about when I see that particular thing, it reminds me of my grandmothers, both grandmothers in fact, or it reminds me of my mom, my mother-in-law, or my aunt. It gives me nothing but strength for each day that I'm thankful that I've lived another day. I hope you guys have a great day and a happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you. Until tomorrow, I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it? And by the way, this ring was my mom's ring, and I'm gonna wear it today, proud. Y'all be good. I love you.